Hello, in this video, we intend to verify and confirm the ActiveTrades broker account. In the previous video, we went through the initial registration steps for this broker together. In this video, we aim to verify the account's identity.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
At this stage, you will be asked to select one of the documents that you intend to upload for identity verification. You can use an ID card, passport, driver's license, or residence permit. After selecting your desired option, click on the I'm Ready button. To start the verification process, click on the Start Verification button. In this section, you need to select the country where your place of residence is and where you are currently living, and the country whose documents you intend to upload. In this section, you must select the country whose documents you want to upload for account verification. After selecting the country, choose which document you intend to upload. If you would prefer to upload the physical document using your mobile phone, and simply take a high-quality photo of the document right now, click on the option Continue on Phone. Otherwise, click on the option or Upload Phone. At this stage, if you want to take a picture of the document with your mobile phone and send it, click on the Continue on Phone option. Otherwise, we recommend the Or Upload Photo option. Select it. After uploading and selecting the file, click on the Upload button. And to upload the backside of the document, click on the Continue button. After selecting the file, choose the Upload button. We have uploaded the documents in this section. Based on the questions asked, select the correct option and click on the Continue button. The question is asked, what is your purpose for trading? We intend to do trading, short-term trades, and also hedging. Select the option that applies to you and click Continue. In this section, you need to choose which platform you intend to use for your trades. Select your broker's own platform, ActiveTrade, MetaTrader 4, or MetaTrader 5. Of course, you can change this option later as well. Or for example, if you have now selected the ActiveTrade option, you will be able to change it in the future as well. In this specific section, you will need to carefully select the primary base currency to be used for your individual trading account. You can select the USD option and then click on the Continue button. In this section, to verify your official proof of address, you can upload various documents in a JPG format, PNG or similar formats. It can also be in PDF format. You are allowed to use documents such as a bank or credit card statement. You can use utility bills such as electricity, gas, or water bills, or bills like an internet bill. You can also use a landline phone bill or a television bill. You can also use a residence certificate issued by the municipality for identity verification. This section also explains how you can submit a high-quality document. If you need instructions, click on the Show button. Also, if you want to upload your documents using your mobile phone or smartphone, you can click on the QR code button. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone and continue the remaining steps on your smartphone. Select the document and upload it in this section. After selecting the document, we click on the Continue button. And in this section, which is related to confirmation, the information you have provided must be accurate and complete, and you should have acknowledged the risk disclosure information. You should have reviewed the policies, terms, and the agreement between the client and the broker. And you also confirm that you are requesting that Did you enter the information in the ActiveTrades broker correctly? If your information is incomplete or outdated, you need to update it. You also agree that you may be contacted for educational purposes, marketing, or account opening, and you give the broker permission to do this and confirm it. Is the information you entered correct and accurate, and have you acknowledged the market data? Do you have sufficient understanding of them, and do you agree that you have reviewed all the above items? Click on the I agree option and select Continue. Very good. You have completed the account verification and completion steps together. Currently, the application is under review and processing. Once it's done, you will also be able to see the Account Final Status section. You can view it, and you can also check this via email. To confirm your email, you can click on this option. Enter the email address you used to register with the broker in this box. We have completed the email verification for ActiveTrades. Here I see it. We click on Room and then click on the Verify Email option. Very good. The email has also been confirmed. The account at ActiveTrades broker is now verified, and you can now fund your account. In upcoming videos, we will go through the different methods of depositing and withdrawing funds in the ActiveTrades broker together. Wish you success.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.